Today, we're diving deep into the world of passive income, exploring not just one, but 5 amazing ways to make $100 or more per day without breaking a sweat. If financial freedom is your goal, then welcome back to Cash Nuggets. You're in the right place. So let's get started. First up, let's talk about one of the classic methods, dividend stocks. Investing in dividend-paying companies can provide you with a steady stream of income. Here's how it works. When you own shares in a dividend-paying company, they'll pay you a portion of their profits regularly. Most companies do this quarterly, others yearly. Over time, this can add up to a substantial income stream, helping you reach that $100 plus per day target. Take Coca-Cola, for instance. They're a well-established company that has been paying dividends for years. As of now, Coca-Cola pays a dividend of 3.13%. Let's say you decide to invest $10,000 in Coca-Cola stock at its current dividend yield of 3.13%. That means you'd receive $313 in dividends per year from your investment. But here's where the magic of passive income kicks in. If you reinvest those dividends back into more Coca-Cola shares each year, you can benefit from compound interest. Over time, your dividend income will grow exponentially. Let's take a look. In the first year, you would end up with a return of $313. After reinvesting those dividends, you would get $326.69 in the second year. Do this every year and you'll see a significant increase in your annual dividend income. It might start small, but with time and patience, that income can grow into a substantial passive income stream. Next on our list is real estate stocks. These are companies that own and manage real estate properties, such as apartment complexes, shopping malls, or office buildings. When you invest in these stocks, you can enjoy a share of the rental income and potential property appreciation without the hassle of being a landlord. It's a great way to diversify your passive income sources. Now, let's delve into high dividend index funds, a savvy choice for diversification and passive income without the need for individual stock selection. Unlike our previous discussion in the first segment, investing in index funds involves substantially less risk when compared to individual stocks. Many index funds are specifically designed to generate high dividend yields. These funds are managed by experts who handpick stocks quarterly to maximize your returns. You know what they say, if you can't beat them, join them. That brings us to our fourth method, creating a YouTube channel. If you have a passion or expertise in a particular niche, consider sharing it with the world through video content. As your channel grows, you can earn money through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing, potentially reaching that $100 plus per day goal. So whether you're creating new content or benefiting from the longevity of your old videos, YouTube is a fantastic platform for building a sustainable source of passive income. Last but not least, let's talk about automated online businesses. This could involve dropshipping, affiliate marketing, or even selling digital products like ebooks or online courses. Once you've set up your business and automated its operations, it can generate income around the clock, even while you sleep. So there you have it, 5 fantastic ways to earn $100 or more per day in passive income. Whether you prefer the stability of dividend stocks, the potential of real estate investments, the versatility of index funds, the creativity of YouTube, or the scalability of online businesses, there's a passive income strategy that can work for you. Remember, building passive income takes time and dedication, so start small, stay consistent, and watch your income grow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on achieving financial freedom. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.